Rise and shine East Texas. You're watching KETK Today.
Here we go, East Texas. We are dealing with a few passing clouds here and there, but we'll generally see mostly sunny skies a little later on today. But the temperatures, man, I mean, still pretty chilly out there. Not quite as cold as what we saw yesterday, of course. We saw widespread 20s. We're seeing widespread upper 20s and lower 30s for today. We're at about 29 degrees right now, dew points at 21. Winds are calm. Of course, I'd like to dispute that because obviously there's wind in the background there, but that sensor is to the south of downtown Longview, not in downtown Longview. Tyler Pounds Airport's to the west of downtown Tyler. We're at 29 degrees there. It's 25 in Jacksonville, 23 in Nacogdoches, 31 is the current reading in Lufkin, Texas. Let's go ahead and chat about what we're expecting today. Again, it's quiet, lots of sunshine. I told you that before the break, but what about the next 7 days? Well, we've got two cold fronts on the way, one of which is rolling through northwest Wyoming at the present time, and that will be the strong one that will be giving us that chance of much colder temperatures come Thursday night and Friday morning. We're talking about lows well into the 20s once again, so colder than what we're seeing this morning comparing to yesterday morning. Now, here's what we have on Futurecast. This is 3 o'clock this afternoon. Again, these red arrows picking up, that is an indication that those southerly winds will pick up, and that will drive our temperatures back into the 60s for a lot of locations for today. Now, as we head into tonight, this is midnight tonight, we're dealing with temperatures in the 40s, and the first front is going to start to make its rounds across the area as we go into about 7 o'clock Wednesday. There it is right there. It's right on our doorstep tomorrow morning. In front of the front, we should squeeze out just enough moisture from those southerly winds that we do see the clouds. And temperatures as a result of those clouds and that southerly wind will be in the middle 40s to start out tomorrow morning. So a warmer start tomorrow morning than what we're currently seeing. I hope you enjoy that because it's not going to last. As we head into tomorrow afternoon, cold front's not very strong, and we'll see those temperatures in the upper 50s and lower 60s once again. We could see a little bit of drizzle Wednesday night, not currently in the forecast right now, but we'll keep an eye on that as we get a little closer. And then the second cold front blows through. It comes in like a lion. Again, a dry cold front. We're not seeing any storms along this front. Temperatures will be in the 30s and 40s as a result to start out Thursday morning. More 40s for Thursday afternoon. In summary of that today, we're at 61, plenty of sunshine tonight. We're down to about 44, so not quite as cold as what we are currently seeing. And as we head into the weekend, that is when we're going to start to see our next chance of rain. This is the 6 to 10 day rain outlook. As you can see, showers showing up in most of the long range models. That's why the Climate Prediction Center has us in the 50s and 60s for temperatures, along with those rain chances that will be happening next weekend, but we get colder as we head into next week, and that's all in your 7-day right here. Now, temperatures right now are going to be in the 60s for the afternoon, 60 for your Wednesday, 40s and 50s for the couple of days after that. Saturday and Sunday, we'll see showers. 53 on Monday. Deep East Texas, same trend. We'll be in the 60s at least today and tomorrow. 50s expected Thursday and Friday. Additional showers around Saturday and Sunday.
All right, so definitely keep those coats out. I have two big coats. One is actually here in case I forget a coat at home.
Smart.
And then another one I brought from home to here. So I'm definitely making sure I stay nice and warm while we're seeing these chilly temperatures right now.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I've got several coats. I lived up north for a while. So, I mean, I'm well prepared for something like this, but you know, anytime you go outside after seeing the 70s and 80s we did last month, the air always has a little bit of a bite to it.
Yeah, definitely. It sure does. All right. Thank you, Carson. We appreciate that forecast, but not